how to save your corrupted data, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So let's get started. If you see a load failure error, the easiest fix is selecting a new save. This won't delete your progress or inventory, but it will reset your training video settings and tutorial data still having issues. Let's back up your saved data first. You can save your data using the cloud storage, online storage, or your USB on PS4 and PS5. Go to the settings, save data and game app settings to cloud store and sync save data to PS4. Go to the settings application, save the data from your data and Steam where you can see it on your folder. Now let's delete the corrupted save file and restart Rocket League. A fresh save will be created automatically to restore you from the cloud. When using the PS5, go to the settings, save data and game app settings to cloud storage. Then download the console. When you use PS4, go to the settings application, data management and save data in online storage to download a system storage. When you are using a PC, replace the new save files with your backup from and your documents your folder, and that's it.